Welcome to Longevity TV. I am William Amzalag and I am the Director of Product Science at Jeunesse. As you know, we are strongly dedicated to longevity and good health. Our line of products have been scientifically designed to reach those targets. Good science requires good and simple explanation. This is why we decided to break down all the information in small TV episodes, easy to read, to visualize, and finally to understand. Every week, you will find in our website one new episode to share with your friends, with your customers, with your downline. Take the time to look at, enjoy, and share with others.
Jeunesse. We are redefining youth.
Welcome to our first episode of the Jeunesse Longevity TV. We are Generation Young, and I am Generation Young. This claim seems at first quite arrogant and pretentious to use the word young when I am 72 years old. Meanwhile, you will find out that I am not the only one, and I will explain you why. Generation Young is a new way of life, a new vision of aging based on solid scientific evidence. Until recently, we were all convinced that aging was the direct result of accumulating years, and that death was the consequence of these added years on our organs, on our function, will become inefficient. It was what we call the chronological dogma, which allowed our society to divide life in chronological parts and to be able to decide at what age we should retire and when we become an old person. It has been proven today that aging has nothing to do with accumulated years, but it's a result of cells damage. It is inside this very, very small, amazing, and wonderful unit that our life and our longevity are treated. We have at least 60 trillion cells, which are almost identicals. And our ability to stay in life and in good health will depend entirely on the health status of our cells, of our nucleus, of our DNA, of our mitochondria, of our cell membrane. This new vision of life has drastically changed our vision of health. For us, for Generation Young, aging is the immediate consequence of cells damage, especially at the DNA level. But the most important aspect of this Generation Young is the strong belief that we are witnessing as actors and as spectators a fantastic technological tsunami. Genomics, gene therapy, stem cells, nanomedicine are going to deeply modify our relation with the entire world. Delaying aging and death will drastically improve thanks to what our scientists call NBIC convergence, which means synergy between nanomedicine, and biotechnology, information technology, and cognitive science. Future changes will exceed in magnitude and in scale, and even in speed, all what humanity have witnesses in the past. Sequencing DNA, that is to say reading billions of information contained in our genetic makeup, will revolutionize medicine. knowledge of the genetic characteristic of each of us will pave the way for personalized medicine. Just think about being able to heal every part of our body down to the cellular level. And very soon, nanotechnology will allow us to build and repair molecules. Yes, to repair molecules and even atoms. This is Generation Young, a generation which believes that today's science can go much farther than just treating disease or saving life. We want you to feel young as long as possible. We want to think young as long as possible. We want to love forever. And we want to be able to play with our grandchildren while fulfilling all our dreams. Jeunesse is one of the few companies looking to the future of technology to enhance longevity and health. Jeunesse's mission is to promote this new Generation Young by creating a system of product that makes all this possible. The YES system means Youth Enhancement System, will provide a line of products all oriented toward nutrition, DNA repair, and energy. We are Jeunesse, and we are Generation Young. Thank you, and seeing you for the next episode. Bye-bye.